everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make tofu choco cornet, white and fluffy chocolate cornet which requires no rising. You can make it in an hour. It is an amazing recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
First, I'm going to make horn molds from scratch. Roll a sheet of cardboard into a cone shape. Staple together. Then wrap with aluminum foil. Now let's make the soy milk chocolate custard cream. Heat soy milk just until it starts to boil. Add a few drops of vanilla extract. Now in a bowl, you need 1 egg yolk and granulated sugar. Mix until white and creamy. Now sift in flour and mix well. I'm using cake flour, but you can use all-purpose flour as well. Add the warm soy milk little by little and mix well. Strain the mixture back into the saucepan. Put on low and stir constantly. Stop the heat when the cream starts to thicken. It becomes thicker when it's cold, so you don't want to heat too much. Now melt the chocolate over hot water. Mix into the soy custard little by little. Transfer into a pastry bag. Then chill in the fridge. Now let's make the buns. Strain tofu through a sieve into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of sugar syrup. Mix well with a whisk. Now sift in bread flour and baking powder. Add a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Mix well with your hands. Now divide it into 4 pieces. Roll into a rope. Then roll it around the whole mold. Cover and rest the buns while preheating the oven. It's so easy, so don't forget to remove the plastic wrap and bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave to cool until you can handle them. Remove the molds. Then leave to cool completely. Pipe in the soy chocolate custard cream. Attach parchment paper if you want to carry around. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
じゃあなんとですね、冷蔵庫で冷やしていてもふんわり柔らかいんです。見てください。こんな感じ。見て。ほら、もう全然パンみたいでしょ。おいしそうです。いただきます。めちゃくちゃおいしいです。豆腐が入ってるからきっと保湿力が高いのか、冷蔵庫で冷やすからこそもうふわふわでしっとりひんやり、すごく美味しいです。夏にぴったりです。ぜひ作ってみてください。美味しい、すごく美味しいです。